Have you ever considered typing names online to earn up to $300 every day? This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Typing one page of names will pay you $15, 5 pages will pay you $75, and 20 pages will pay $300. The best feature is that there are no restrictions. You can type as much as you want and earn as much money as you want using a phone or computer, and it's available to you wherever you are for free. As you can see, you can quickly estimate how much money you can make from this brand new opportunity by utilizing the calculator on our website. Pay close attention to this rate per word, which indicates the amount of money you can earn for each word you type. One page typically contains 300 words. The projects right here, for example, are for typing names on pages 1, 2, and 3. You can earn money by typing names on any of these projects. The rate per word is 5 cents in US dollars. As I scroll down, I see that there are 300 names in total. Now let me show you this link where you can earn 15 for writing 300 words. This is a great money-making opportunity. Look at this 15 per page and we can get up to 20 to 35 pages per day. This means you can easily earn up to $300 or even $525 per day by simply typing names on this website. First and foremost, we're going to use this. As you scroll down, you'll see that they have several work-from-home possibilities like online proofreading jobs. It's one of the simplest things you can accomplish on this website. Online paid surveys, language translation, and freelance blogging. You have a lot of employment alternatives, but in this video, we'll focus on online typing jobs because it's one of the simplest things you can do on this website and doesn't require any technical or prior experience. It's a very good earning potential for people from anywhere in the world, and the joining fees are completely free. There are no hidden fees before you join, and we never ask you to invest. You can see right here that depending on your skill level, you'll be paid at different rates. I want you to go ahead and click on this red button right here to learn more. When you visit the website rototype.com, where you can take a free typing test, then right here, I'll show you the method that no one else would know about as the first bonus to simply typing names into a search engine can help you get a higher rate. I want you to take the speed typing test since you'll receive a typing certificate from this website. You can get the certificate for free and you'll need it because it'll increase your income and earning rates on each page. Click the yellow button to be taken to this page, where you may start typing on your phone or computer. The ultimate key is to obtain their degree if you want to, for example, earn 15 for every page you write. You will be accepted much more quickly, have access to more high-paying ties, and have unlimited employment prospects. It's crucial to keep an eye on the screen to understand how to get the certificate and finish your talentdesire.com application, since typing names can earn you $300 or even $525 each day if you have a certificate to show them that you can type. As soon as you begin typing on this page, a calculation of your typing speed and accuracy, including any spelling or typing errors, will be made. You can see above that the more accurate you are, the more money you will receive. You can prove both your typing speed and accuracy by passing a typing test and receiving a certificate from this website, which will quickly increase your payment rate. Your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99%. I want you to scroll down and click on this link. You can sign up for a free account by entering your name, email address, and password. After accepting the terms and conditions, click the yellow sign up button. When you get a satisfying answer, scroll down and click on the certificate. You'll see that it says, awarded to your name for typing in English, and they'll even display their rototype.com signature to show you that it's authentic. You might receive substantially higher compensation. You can click on this print button right here when you scroll down again, but don't worry, you can do this on your computer or your mobile phone as well. All you need to do is see the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file by clicking on the Save button, so keep watching, because I'll teach you how to sign up, register, and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com, where you can earn $50 for projects like this one right here repeatedly. However, please pay attention and watch this video until the very end because the registration page on here is quite tricky and difficult to discover. If you don't watch this portion carefully, you may get lost along the way or fail to find the registration page, then just scroll down to discover. Then we'll go to this page where you can apply for our work from home jobs online by clicking on this red link. As you can see, the registration page is quite hidden on this website, so if you can't find it, watch the video again, bookmark it, or add it to your playlist and watch it again. When you scroll down below,